Hello all. Today we are going to see how to install Code Composer Studio for C2000 processor or microcontroller. So you know that under C2000 we are looking into TMS328 320 F28027. That is the processor we are talking about. So we will see how to install Code Composer Studio and Control Suite for C2000. So we need two application, two exe files. One is CCS setup and the other one is Control Suite. And to install this, you need a data, at least 1 GB of data, because the CCS setup is about 841 MB, and your Control Suite will be around 140 KB. It's almost 1 GB. So only based on that you can download this file. So let us now move into the CCS setup and we will install it. So double click on the CCS setup, and before doing this you have to make sure that your antivirus should be disabled. So let me put this antivirus in the pass, that is either you can disable it or you can pass the antivirus setup. So I am doing it for 4 hours. So it depends, because if you have to do this software you can just pause it for 30 minutes, that is more than enough. So I am doing it for 4 hours. So I am just applying and running my exe file. So now the antivirus is disabled. Now I have to run the CCS setup. Just click yes. So what is the initial role of CCS is, it will check for the operating system. So my operating system is Windows 7, and it will check whether this particular version is suitable for your Windows 7 operating system, and whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit, and whether your antivirus is enabled or disabled. So all such initial configurations will be monitored and it will be verified by your Code Composer Studio setup, and it will take around 1 or 2 minutes for verifying such kind of data. Once after that, immediately it will ask you for a license agreement. And one more thing, if you want to download your CCS setup and Control Suite, you should have a login in your Texas Instruments, because the CCS setup is from Texas Instruments, and the processor, or you can say the microcontroller we are looking into, is C2000 TMS320 F28027. So that is the microcontroller name. So once after completing or after checking your license agreement, it will ask you for installing all your software tools. For example, if you are using C2000, then you can click C2000 and just click OK. If you are using MSP430, which comes under Texas Instrument, then you have to click MSP430. Or if you are using MSP432, MSP432 has to be checked. So this is the basic setup behind this CCS EXE.